Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Shopify and going straight to online store themes. Once there, click Customize on the active theme so you work on the live layout. You need to find the footer panel in the left side sections list. Sometimes it's nested under sections or theme settings. If you don't see footer, expand the sections list. This step ensures you are editing the right theme and not an unpublished duplicate, which prevents accidental changes to a different store version. You now edit the copyright field inside the footer settings. Click the text or copyright block and type your desired wording. Include shop. Name if you want it to update automatically. If the theme uses a rich text or HTML block, paste your formatted copy there. Make sure to check for multiple footer blocks. Some themes have desktop and mobile variants. Once done, scan for extra scripts or apps that inject footer content so you don't have duplicate lines. Save your changes and immediately preview the storefront on both desktop and mobile to confirm the new text displays. If you don't see it, clear the browser cache or open an incognito window to avoid cached assets showing the old copy. If it still fails, open the theme code and inspect theme. Liquid or sections/footer. Liquid for hard-coded text. Edit cautiously or duplicate the theme first. If problems persist, revert to the duplicate and contact theme support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.